Hello mga kakasi. So we're here na to go to Gondola. So we're going to try an hour. Ano ba sasabihin ko? So we're going on Gondola. Who's excited? I'm excited. Sorry guys, wala lang talaga akong energy because like we're really so tired from walking kaninang umaga. Right?
Ay, oh, sorry. Oo.
Whatever know who you are, love is the evidence. Love is the evidence. Might be the
May pang Korean, may pang Chinese, may French at English. Ano yung isa?
Benuhu.
Same din, French lang din. Wow! Excited na ako, guys. Okay, we're just going to buy some tickets with tatay. So we got our ticket already, guys. Mahal. Mahal, mahal.
Talaga.
Magkano? Pambili ng sapatos, guys. Pambili. Pero sabi nga naman nila, minsan lang daw to. So, sulitin na natin. I'm so excited. See you guys. Guys, I'm so excited! Sinong excited? Wah! Hindi po ako nagpipicture. Sinong excited? Ay, walang may paki talaga sa akin dito. Yung pag napapasigaw na ako. Anyways. Thank you! Uy!
Oh my gosh, ang bigat.
Dapat mag-isa si Simon!
Oh my God.
Okay guys! Bye-bye sa lasam!
Sabay ko
Wala
siya.
yung sauce, smell something,
Ang mga tita should be there. Kasi para balance.
Are you excited, Simon?
Okay lang. Nakakabalak.
Are you excited, Tira?
Yepper!
Ah! Yun na lang, tita.
Oh, guys, alona! Bakit ang bilis naman ito? Okay, bibidyoan natin yung view, guys. Sorry. Ganda naman. How?
Don't worry, he will make your heavy light. Don't worry at all, worry at all. This love is always right on time. I've been trying to figure out my own way, trying to put it all on me. Way down by the pressure, without looking up, I know you see me. Cause on and on you keep blessing me, but on and on I keep worrying. Why I'm always running when you're telling me, don't worry, just lay it down, it's not your fight. Don't worry, it'll be alright. Don't worry, he will make your heavy light. Don't worry at all, worry at all. This love is always right on time. Right on time.
So yun nga guys, we are required to wear a mask.
Important yung mask.
Yeah, mask is a must. Mask is a must, right?
Oh, sorry.
You have to follow. Aray ko naman. Nakinat sa likod. Ayan guys.
So, pataas na po sa kami ulit.
Pataas ulit kami. Uy, may souvenir guys. Baba tayo. Kailangan ko bumili. Ang ganda. Para meron lang akong kay Lola. So this is how it look like.
Oh my God.
What it look like.
Wow.
Ayun na yung maganda katado, no?
Tayo galing.
Wow. Pababa siguro.
So fine, there are arrows here.
Can you say, are you scared, Nawargo? What's your experience? Are you scared? I know you are, I know. Kasi takot ka talaga eh. Ayun nga guys, we're going down over there. Kailangan namin mag-walk. Ano sila nanay oh? Hello nanay, hello tatay, hello Simon. Oh. Let's go. Ay, ang ganda dito tatay. Grabe naman. Hindi ko alam ganito kaganda. Guys, ang ganda guys. Lord, ang ganda ng case mo, Lord. Trailer po yan. Pababa. Wow. Yan guys, oh, yung nilakad namin. Kakahingal ah. Saka naman, worth it man to. Worth it ng pawis. Worth it ng pagod. Worth it sa 57. $54. Ay, 75 nga eh. 75 pala. Oh, ganda. Ano meron dito? Trailer siguro. Ang ganda. Naman. Yun na, malapit na guys. Malapit na sa katotohanan. Huh. Hi, squirrels. Say hi. Ang kulit. Cute. Ang astig ng gumawa nito. Paano kaya ito ginawa, no? Ang sisipag, oh. Oo nga po, yun. Napaka-dedicated gumawa. Worth it naman siguro. Yeah. So cute. Ito na, guys. Wow. Hindi na nila kinayang patagin to. Hindi na nila kinayang patagin. Ito na yun eh, no? Peak na to, yun. Grabe, oh. It look like, guys, up here. Yes naman, guys. Di na ako pupunta dyan, napaka-crowded eh. So, ito po yan, guys. Kitang-kita yung buong Banffo. Grabe, oh. Saan ho? Yun? Yun yung, yun. Parang malayo-layo yun. Ito po yan. This is what it look like, guys. Achievement. Achievement. I see, ang ganda naman, Lord. Lord, ang ganda. Tara ho. This, ano daw, the Sanson Peak, the highest point of Consulpur Mountain. So, ayan.
Ginawa nilang ano dati ito, weather.
Began collecting weather data. Wow, this is the ano, weather data. Grabe. Kaya pala, siguro siguro talaga noon, itong trail na to talagang maliit lang. Yung alam mo yung parang nilalakad talaga para akyatin to.
Oh, kasi yan, weather.
Weather, ano pala yan? Tapos, nung after, ginawa nila ng ganito para gawing...
May kung saan pinakataas.
Siguro po ganun, para to gather data nga. Astig naman. Magaling, magaling. I like it very much here. Pag uwi namin ng Saskatchewan, nog-nog na ako. Whew! Day 2 pa lang to guys. Nog-nog na. Paano pag uwi? Wala na. So yun guys, I'm getting, my skin are getting red. Ibig sabihin yan. After nito, hindi po ako namumula dahil tisay ako. Pero mangingitim na ako next. Whew! Guys, there's a goat right there. How did he... Grabe from... Wow! Andito siya sa taas ng mountain. Parang ano... Ayun na guys, no?
Gabihin tayo.
Gagabihin pa kami. Punta lang kami ng souvenir. Hindi na namin inikutan lahat kasi... Kapagod eh. Nga guys, masaya naman itong experience na to. Sulit naman kesa kasi na-cancel yung Lake Louise.
Uy, halika na, pamalayan na.
Okay, tara, let's go. Doon.
Mapasok ulit tayo.
Pwede po may sanitize.
Hindi, gandola na doon. Mapasok ulit dito.
Souvenir. Oo, sa taas. Tara.
Mapasok na ulit tayo.
So, how's the experience? Ano?
Di ako pumunta sa ano, no?
Can we go in?
Hindi. Bakit?
Come on, souvenir. We're good. This is souvenir, diba? Souvenir. Wow. So we're actually paying now. I bought some shirt and some souvenirs. And so, makakaya naman dito mag-vlog. Kaloka naman. Ubus-ubus pera po kami. Ako lang pala. So ito. Ito po ang souvenir area. Yun na guys. Ito na. I got my stuff. So, we're going home. So, ayan. Guys, ang init. Grabe. Ang init. Dire-diretso po ata. Ang kulit-kulit oh. Ay, may baby. Hi! Kami po ay init na init. Siksik na siksik dyan sa gilid. 1, 2, 3, smile. Smile. Smile, pakita kahit naka-ano. Pagod na. Knockout kami pag-uwi. Actually, we have to go Canmore. Kasi to refill our bottle water. Our water pala, our jug. Yes, for tomorrow's activity again. Ano ang gagawin natin na tomorrow?
Water gun.
Oh, di na po kailangan?
How will look like? So, tita, how's the experience?
So tiring, you know. This is my second
Ay,
time.
grabe, ganyan pala.
This is your second time mag-gondola?
Yeah.
Wow!
And how about you? How was your first time?
Actually,
Ito yung first time.
nabitin ng very slight.
Why?
Kasi, pagod na kayo. Gusto ko
I know.
sana lahat tayo sama-sama. Oh my gosh, guys! Wait! Wala! Wait lang. Going down is so, nakakatakot. Oh my God! Iba yung feeling. Uy! Guys, look.
Magalas siya.
Nakakatakot kanina dun sa pagbaba. Parang ride. Parang ano. So, how's your experience, Simon?
Natatakot. But I have to face my
You
feet.
don't have to. You just, you know, enjoy the view, right?
Oh, nga.
See?
Very true. So, we're going down na...
Parang mas mabilis pa po.
Actually, guys, I can't imagine kasi dito, kung makikita nyo actually, may mga trail sila. Paakyat. Like, I mean, come on.
Ulit.
Grabe, ilang oras mo yun halakarin para lang makaakyat ka sa taas.
But actually, I wanna see
Right?
goats survive in the mountains ba?
Yeah,
so cool, no?
Like,
Ano to yun? Mountain... Oo, mountain goat. So, ayun nga guys, hello mga kakasi. So, ayun na, we're done. Gondola trip. So, masaya naman. How was the experience, Sam? Kanina medyo takot-takot ka pa kasi sabi mo, you were takot ka sa heights.
IGA, pero for sure, meron kong, water.
No, yung sinabi mo narinig nila. So anyways, so yun na, salamat po. I hope that you enjoy our second trip. No?
12 minutes, ate.
Ingay po ng mga tao dito, no? Nagbablog na
12
tayo,
minutes
pero
ang
wala talaga.
IGA.
So anyways, guys,
Head southeast, then slide.
don't forget to
This route avoids the road closure on Bound County.
318 Martin.
subscribe!
6 p.m.
We're not done.
take one. Una
It's
ba?
only day 2.
Oh, pero di ko pa kasama.
3.
This is another video. Really, hindi mo alam.
Martin. Martin? Oo, Martin.
Okay.
Sige, choice mo naman.
318, number 3.
See you too!
So see you for our next vlog. So don't forget to
Subscribe.
And like!
5 kilometers.
and share
Share!
and comment below.
5 kilometers.
Bye guys. Peace out.
Love is the